welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make some natural pineapple and ginger juice, and I'm just about to start the process. I'm using one pineapple. I've already cut up half of it and I'm about to peel the next half and cut it up. I'm just removing the skin from my pineapple. I've just finished cut up all my pineapple and I'm using 4 small pieces of ginger. My ginger is already peeled and I'm going to wash my ginger. I've just finished cut up my ginger in small pieces. I'm going to add my pineapple to my blender. And then I'm going to add my ginger to my blender. And I'm going to add enough water to cover my ingredients. And I'm about to start my blender. I've just finished blending up my pineapple and I'm going to strain my pineapple. As you can see, my pineapple juice is coming out really nicely. And it's also looking very good. I'm going to use half of this lemon in my pineapple juice. Half. So I've just finished making my pineapple juice. This pineapple juice don't need to be sweetened because the pineapple is already sweet, so, and it's a natural and healthy pineapple juice. So all this pineapple juice need is just ginger, half a lemon, and pineapple, and it's all completed. Wow, it's looking really good. Absolutely good. I'm just gonna have a little taste. Wow, very delicious and healthy. This is what we call natural healthy juice. Can't go wrong with drinking these juices. It let you stay, you're looking healthy, you're feeling healthy, and you're full of energy when you drink these juice. And it's, we all want to look healthy, so we have to stick to with natural healthy juice. So thanks for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Thank you. I'm out. Bye.